Hi friends, welcome to my educational video channel. So I'm Usman Sina and we are doing polynomial chapter from class 10th standard CBSE mathematics. So today we are again going to discuss. I have already discussed some solution regarding this polynomial chapter already, that has been discussed to you. Now again I am going to discuss some solution regarding polynomial chapter. Okay, so let's be started. So as you can see from the board, I am just reading the question once again. If the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder becomes x plus a. We have to find k and a. Okay, so here comes the solution. If we divide, so this is the dividend polynomial, this is divisor polynomial. So x square minus 2x plus k, this is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. Understood? Obviously, since it is x to the power 4, so we are going to multiply here x square. So this is x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus kx square plus kx square. So this is minus, this is obviously, this is plus, this is minus. This can be cancelled out. This is minus 4x cube and this is 16 minus k x square minus 25x plus 10. Okay, next here is minus 4x cube, so we have to multiply it by minus 4x. Minus 4x, if we multiply there, minus 4x is minus 4x cube. Next plus 8x square, 8x square minus 4xk, 4xk. Okay, that's it. Again changing the sign, plus minus, this is plus. So we are getting here, if we calculating, we are getting 8 minus k x square and here minus 21x plus 10. Hope you are able to understand it. Next we have to multiply this by x square is here, so we have to multiply this by 8 minus k. Since the coefficient is 8 minus k, so 8 minus k, that means 8 minus k x square, this is minus 8 minus k, sorry, into 2x, obviously into 2x plus 8 minus k into k. Understood? Now again subtracting minus plus, this is minus, so this should be, if we calculate it, we are getting 2k, I think. Now here one step we have to write it here, that is this is 25 minus 25 minus 4k plus 4k Okay, and if we take minus common over here, then we are getting minus this plus 4k x. Understood? Plus 10 over here. So again, if we calculating, by calculating we will get this is minus 25 plus 4k plus 8 minus k. This is not this is plus 16 minus 2k x minus this should be plus 10 minus 8 minus k square. Understood? Plus k square into plus k square. So by calculating, if we calculate it, this is 2k minus 9x, 2k minus 9x, and this is plus 2 plus k square. Understood? Now next we have to compare, that is, if we have to compare that the remainder comes out x plus a, so remainder is x plus a, x plus a is the remainder, and that is equals to this is the remainder. So if we compare it, x plus a, now comparing the coefficient, if we compare the coefficient, we are getting that 2k minus 9 is equal to 1, so the coefficient of x is equal to 1, so 2k minus 9 is equal to 1, that means 2k is equal to 10, that means k is equal to how much? 5. So the value of k that we are getting 5. Understood? And a be the constant term, so a equal to 2 plus k square, a equal to 2 plus k square. Now a is equal to 2 plus k. What is the value of k? What is the value of k is equal to 5. We are getting. This is plus 10 minus 8k plus k square, 10 minus 8k plus k square. Okay, so here also by comparing, a is equal to 10 minus 8k plus k square, 10 minus 8k plus k square. So the by putting the value 8 into 5 plus 5 square, that is 10 minus 40 plus 25, that is minus 40 plus 35 minus 5. So the value of k is equal to 5 and value of a is equal to minus 5. So that will be my answer. Okay, next move to another question. Here, if the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a plus b, a and a minus b, a and a plus b, then find a and b. So here comes the solution. For that, we have to use the relation between zeros and coefficient. So since it's a cubic polynomial, 3 roots are given, so a minus b plus a plus b, that's equals to minus b by a, that means minus of minus 3 by 1, that means plus 3. Understood? So by calculating, this is 3a equals to plus 3. So the value of a is equal to 1. We are getting easily. Now product of the root, that is a minus b, a a plus b. These are the product of the root. Product of the root, that should be minus constant term divided by coefficient of x cube, that is minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1. So if we multiply it, we are getting a square minus b square into a, that's equals to minus 1. Now a value of a is equal to 1, so 1 minus b square into 1 is equal to minus 1. So from here 1 minus b square is equal to minus 1. That's implying b square is equal to 2. So b is equal to plus minus root 2. So the value of a is 1 and plus minus root 2. Okay, we are using the relation between zeros and coefficient. Understood? Next, move to another question. Now here comes one more question. Hope you are able to see it. The question is, find a cubic polynomial. We have to find a cubic polynomial. Find a cubic polynomial. I am reading it. Find a cubic polynomial which sum of product of its zeros taken 2 at a time, and the product of its zeros are 2, minus 7 and minus 14 respectively. So we have to find the polynomial. Now here comes the solution. Let the polynomial be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This would be my polynomial, and the roots are, or zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. Obviously alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Okay, now sum are 2, sum of the roots are 2, so 2 is equal to minus b by a. Sum of product taken 2 at a time, that is minus 7, that's equal to c by a. Okay, and the product is minus 14, that is minus 14 is equal to minus d by a. Okay, so if we calculate here, that is b is equal to, we are getting b is equal to minus 2a, c is equal to minus 7a, d is equal to 14a. Now if we take a is equal to 1, if we take a is equal to 1, then b should be minus 2, c is minus 7, and d is how much? 14. So my required polynomial should be polynomial b. What will be my required polynomial? A, that is 1 into x cube minus 2 into x square plus c, that is minus 7 into x plus d plus 14. This would be my required polynomial. So again I am writing, this is x cube minus x square minus 7x plus 14. So this would be my required polynomial. This is the answer. Hope you are able to see it from the board. Okay, next move to another question. Now here one more question. If two zeros of a polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus minus root 3, then find the other two zeros. So for this we have to use the division of a polynomial by a polynomial, this result. Now since these two are the zeros, so obviously x minus 2 minus root 3 and x minus 2 plus root 3 are the two factors. Okay, of this given polynomial. Now if we multiply these two, x minus 2 plus root 3 and x minus 2 minus root 3, if we multiply these two, so we are getting x minus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Okay, by calculating x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3, that is x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay, now if we divide this polynomial by this polynomial, so x square minus 4x plus 1 and the dividend polynomial is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. This is the dividend polynomial. Obviously this is x to the power 4 x square, so x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square minus plus minus, this is minus 2x cube, this is minus 27x square plus 138x minus 35. Next we have to multiply is minus 2x, so minus 2x cube plus 8x square plus minus 2x, this is plus minus plus, this one we can cancel out and this we are getting minus 35 x square, this is plus 140 x minus 35. Again minus 35 we are taking, that means minus 35 x square plus 140 x minus 35. So if we calculate it by changing the sign, we are getting a remainder as 0. So the other two factor we will get, the other two zeros we will get by factorizing this polynomial. Now taking this polynomial, this 35, that means I am just factorizing here x square, this is 2 is here by middle term factor. Middle term factor you have already know in class, from class 8. So this is 7 minus 5x minus 35, that's equal to x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. So x minus 7 plus 5 x minus 7, x minus 7 x plus 5. So clearly from here the other two zeros are 7 and minus 5. So the four zeros are 2 plus root 3 2 minus root 3, 7 and minus 5. Okay, hope you will understand it. So next move to another question regarding this polynomial. So as you can see from the board, on dividing a polynomial, this x cube minus k square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4, find gx. So we know now here dividend polynomial is x cube. Let's come to the solution. The dividend polynomial is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is the dividend polynomial. Okay, and the quotient polynomial is x minus 2. X minus 2. Divisor polynomial is gx. Gx plus remainder polynomial minus 2x plus 4. Now here, if we calculate, this is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4, that's equal to x minus 2 into gx. So this is x cube minus 3x square, this is plus 3x minus 2 is equal to gx into x minus 2. So gx should be x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So the polynomial gx we will get by dividing it by x minus 2. So x minus 2 taking x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 x square, x cube minus 2x square minus plus minus x square plus 3x minus 2. So here the degree of Rx is greater than degree of Qx, quotient polynomial. So obviously we will have to do one more step, that is minus x square minus 2x plus, this is also plus, this is 5x minus 2. Okay, minus x minus 2. So again by multiplying by 1 x minus 2, so changing the sign, remainder is 0. So the gx polynomial should be x square minus x plus 1. Okay, so that will be the answer. So that's it for this video. Hope you will understood it, the solution. Okay, so we will meet for some taking some more videos related to class 10 standard mathematics. Till then, keep watching my channel, do subscribe and stay with me and stay home. Thank you.